मैं नहीं करना चाहता एक्चुअली।
क्या करियर प्लान है तुम्हारा? एक ही बात बार बार जिंदगी भर बताता रहो कि यही काम है मेरा, कि तुम हमेशा उल्टे रास्ते पर भागते रहो, हमेशा तुम्हें खींच कर वापस लाता रहो। और इंटरेस्ट है कहाँ तुम्हारा?
और कितना पैसा झोंक रहा हूँ मैं पढ़ाई में।
Wait, this is not mine. Only I can decide my destiny. Is it a dream? No, it's my dream city, what I want. The Manas city. And this is the place where dream comes true.
From this, myself, Dr. Aslan Shukar, Dean of Medical Faculty of Jalalabad International University. First of all, about our university, it's best university in this region with big and very good facility and best faculty and administration and other most important things. Here I want to welcome all future doctors in our university. If you want to choose best university with best faculty, with best simulation center and own hospital, and with collaboration and cooperation with Indian and other country hospitals, we're waiting you here in Jalalabad International University.
Hello, my name is Dr. and I want to tell about the student life in Jalalabad International University.
Batch 2018-2023, the Jalalabad University played a huge role in my preparation. The mock test helped me to identify my weak areas, and the study environment provided in the university helped me a lot to stay focused.
Hello everyone, myself Harshit. This is a synthetic cadaver what we have in our university. This is the best way to understanding the depth of human body and the real anatomical structures.
Have you ever experienced a campus where passion meets compassion? The Jalalabad International University, an elite university, fits that standard.
Here every classroom feels alive with knowledge. Here every professor inspires you to think and to heal.
Life here isn't just about books and stethoscopes. It's about friendships, festivals and culture that unite the heart from all over the world.
Jalalabad International University, where dreams find new beginnings.
At Jalalabad International University, we create a modern multicultural environment for every student. We celebrate cultural events like Eid, Diwali, Holi, Navratri, Tamil New Year, or Indian festivals.
in Jalalabad International University. We will be glad to see you here. Welcome to our university.
And in the end, everything was worth it because I never stopped believing.